Hello students, as you all know, we have completed the second chapter, Nationalism in India. It was a quite long chapter, one of the most important chapters. I have told it many times in my videos. That makes this chapter to be done in a very vast manner, in a very extensive manner. Nothing should be left in the chapter which you have I mean, from where questions could be asked and you feel like कि नहीं पढ़ा है. Everything and each and everything we have done. And now one thing that is important here is question answers. You all are sending me, I am getting your question answers regularly. Still I feel that please send your question answers through mail, the chapters that we have completed. Some of you are very regular in sending the question answers, but some of the students have yet not sent me any question answers. So this is very I mean, it doesn't look good. I really request all the students that send the question answers as soon as possible, so that we get ample time to check it also. It's not that you are sending, we are not checking it, but we need to do it. Now just with your the questions of this chapter, as we have completed it, so we will be starting with the first question. Why growth of nationalism in the colonies is linked to an anti-colonial movement? When we talk about nationalism, children, it was the movements that had started from the beginning of the chapter. In the chapter when we have started, from there only you will find lot of anti-colonial sentiments had developed. Because now children, in this what happens is that you need to understand that nationalism had led to towards freedom. The Indian people have got the freedom by following this policy of nationalism. Some people have played a very important role. We have already read about them. Anti-colonial movement may you have to mention that the exist a small point about non-cooperation and the civil disobedience. I will be discussing the question answers with you also through certain downloaded material that is there with me, but you have to write all the question answers that is there. Now I'm sorry. Next thing that is important is how was the First World War, how the First World War had helped in the growth of national movement in India. So First World War, you know, जहाँ पे topic शुरू हुआ था, where the topic had started, there only we have mentioned the plague epidemic, the influenza epidemic, forced recruitment, got it, and then extracting the resources. क्या हुआ? Try to understand this in this manner, that Britishers had already were already participating in the First World War. So while they were participating in the First World War, it was very difficult for them to get all the resources that they wanted. A lot of things are needed. When a country is participating in the war, a lot of material is needed. So their material was all exhausted. The materials that they have used in the First World War, it has all exhausted. Now they were looking up to the colonies for all this material. While I was recording my video, I have already told you that during the First World War, the Indian industries were established, because the kind of resources that was available in India, but it was not in a concrete form. जैसे steel चाहिए था, heavy materials were needed, a lot of equipments, arm equipments were needed. So some of our business people, especially Tatas, Birlas, they said, we'll provide you all the things that you want, just help us to lay down the industry. We want to lay down the industry. So this is the time when this Tata Steel factory was established with the help of the Britishers. Jamshedji Narsarwanji Tata, one of the very eminent business personalities of India, so he took the help of the Britishers and established it. Okay, so you have to mention from the first topic only. Why Indians were outraged by the Rowlatt Act? I hope you all one of the very simple questions. Second topic, वही उसी topic में just where गांधी जी सत्याग्रह is mentioned, वहाँ पे it is mentioned they were Indians were very angry because of the Rowlatt Act, as any Indian can be arrested and can be tried or can be sent to detention without trial. किसी भी इंडियन को कभी भी वो दे कैन द ब्रिटिशर्स कैन सेंड देम टू द जेल विदाउट एनी ट्रायल, मतलब आपको अपील करने का भी छूट नहीं थी. यू कैन नॉट अपील टू द ब्रिटिशर्स फॉर व्हाट मिस्टेक आर यू सेंड टू द जेल. So Gandhi ji had harked upon the Indians that if we accept this brutal act, then a time will come where we will be totally we are already working like slaves to the British. Then Britishers will dictate their terms and conditions further. So write a short note on the Rowlatt Act. Why Gandhi ji decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Got it? So we have already discussed about Chauri Chaura. The incident was very unfortunate, where the peasants about Chauri Chaura incident lot of details are not mentioned there, लेकिन picture जो दी हुई है, the picture that is given there, स्वराज plantation के ठीक below में the picture that is there, I'll show you just now. अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. तो those वो आपको बताना है. You have to just you have to write down those details where in Chauri students entered into a very big fight with the Britishers, the police there, and the police had opened fire where 2 peasants had died. So the peasants were very angry and they have made up their mind that they will take revenge from the British. At night what happened, they came and they burned the police station and 11 police personals were killed. I mean they were open burned in fire, but बचने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. लोग इतना गुस्साए हुए थे कि उन्होंने उठा के उनको वापस से फेंक दिया आग में. तो this was a very sorry state that had happened. What is meant by the idea of satyagraha? I would request you all to write the answer that is mentioned satyagraha from the point of view of Gandhi ji. Active resistance, passive resistance, ये वाला जो पूरा the box that is there, please write down answers from there. Now write a newspaper report. Just check it is mentioned here. Now what happens, children, try to understand. Jallianwala Bagh. This kind of questions means it is an integrated homework. It is an integrated question. Integrated question means where SST is integrated with English. आप रिपोर्ट, न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट कहाँ लिखते हो, इंग्लिश में आपको सिखाया जाता है. So the kind of thing that is there, the ways you write a newspaper report for English, same way आपको जलियांवाला बाग, you are a reporter and you know so much about जलियांवाला बाग. अब मैं आपको ऐसे लिख के दे दूँ, अगर इफ़ वी आस्क यू राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन जलियांवाला बाग, कब से जलियांवाला बाग पढ़ते चले आ रहे हो? 6 में पढ़ा होगा, 8 में पढ़ा होगा, 10 में पढ़ रहे हो, तो जलियांवाला बाग यू कैन ईजिली शॉर्ट नोट ऑन जलियांवाला बाग. देन साइमन कमीशन. Yes, the Simon Commission formed by the British to look into the internal political matters of India. They had come to under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. They had come to India to look at matters, but there was no Indian member included in that. So the Indians were very outraged. Okay, they were very angry, and they have made up their mind that they will be now they will be doing everything to go against the British. And Simon Commission, wherever it had gone to look into the political matters, especially जलियांवाला, वो अमृतसर भी गए थे. तो अमृतसर में while the protest was going on, there was a lathi charge, and in that lathi charge some of our great leaders had also died. Okay, this great leader was Lala Lajpat Rai. Then one very interesting question is there, children. Please, I would request you to do this question. Compare the images of Bharat Mata with Germania. So I am just showing you the pictures of Bharat Mata and Germania. So children, you see here Bharat Mata. You have to explain the image of Bharat Mata, and believe you me, questions are now asked in the boards. तो आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए. यू नीड टू डू दिस क्वेश्चंस. सो यू कैन सी भारत माता के पहले तो आप देख लो उनके हाथों में क्या क्या है. गॉट इट. देयर इज वेद ऑन वन हैंड साइड, एंड देन देयर इज फूड, देन देयर इज दिस राक्ष की माला है, एंड ऑन द ये जस्ट चेक food, clothing, learning, mala in one hand, her ascetic quality, and Abanindranath Tagore, Raja Ravi Verma, they tried to develop a style of painting that could be seen as truly Indian. यहाँ पे आपको ये भी बताना पड़ेगा, there are lotus flowers seen at her forehead, यहाँ पे ज़मीन में, मतलब उनके पैरों के पास. तो मतलब flowers are already offered to her, and she is offering, because being a mother, she is offering the food and clothing to the Indian people. That is what is shown here. So you have to explain the image of Bharat Mata, then you will be talking. So children, here you can see Germania. Can you see? Can you find out the difference? What is the major difference here? सबसे कि भारत माता के हाथ में तलवार नहीं है, एंड जर्मेनिया इज अ मार्क ऑफ वैलर. वैलर मीन्स ब्रेवरी. मतलब शी इज रेडी टू प्रोटेक्ट द कंट्री इन ऑल द मैनर्स. जस्ट सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट इज मेंशन्ड हियर. it was made by Philip Wheat. Just a minute, children. Got it. It was made on a cotton banner, okay, and it was meant to hang from the ceiling of the church of Saint Paul. Means imagine कि पूरा church के ऊपर it would be displayed such a big figure where the Frankfurt Parliament was convened in March 1848. तो यहाँ पे she is represent more. What is this? Yes, very well understood, children. Broken chain. कि जिनको अभी तक बांध के रखा गया था, the country and the people who have been tied in chains and who have been treated in a very different manner. Now the time has come when the people are free. सबसे पहली चीज़ क्या थी? Because with the French Revolution this has started, that freedom was the main thing that was talked about. So here we see one thing. दूसरा जो था, you will be talking about the sword. And then one thing, ये आप देख रहे हो क्या है? And यहाँ पे she is wearing this crown also. Got it? Olive branches का, olive is considered to be one of the very auspicious plants of Europe. हर जगह यूरोप में. It is not only that Germany or Italy, everywhere in Europe it is considered to be one of the very auspicious plants. Okay, then हर एक चीज़ यहाँ पे बहादुरी के बारे में बता रही है. On one hand she is holding the flag. So Germania is quite different from Bharat Mata. Okay, the picture is very well portraying that how German should be behaving with the mother. मदर को उन्होंने हमेशा मने कि they have tried to see that mother is in a very is very inspiring figure, and the people of Germany, whenever they see this figure, they feel inspired. भारत माता में क्या था? What was there in भारत माता? भारत माता में बहुत ही शांत था, मतलब it was very quiet figurine. So भारत माता अब देखो, जर्मेनिया हमने देखा, अब look at the भारत माता, and you will always find that behind these figures the halo means एक उगता हुआ सूरज दिखाते हैं, हर एक, all these kind of images they are showing that it is the rising sun which will lead the country towards freedom, and people will feel very happy on that. So this is the comparison that we have done right now, children. Now we come to the questions. So we have done all these, इतना हमने कर लिया है. न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट आपको लिखना है, कंपेयर द इमेजेस ऑफ भारत माता. Now these are the real questions which are asked in the boths. List all the different social groups which joined the non-cooperation movement में जिसने किया था non-cooperation movement. Then choose any three and write about their hopes and struggles to show why they joined the movement. पहले तो you all know it very well, who all have joined the non-cooperation movement. So you know that where did we start, कहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था. All the people of India were involved in it. खाली थोड़ा सा साउथ में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी. But then we have started with the movement in the towns. Got it? शहरों में क्या हुआ था? The clothes were boycotted, and the British import fell half, 102 crore से 57 crore, ये जो हमने पढ़ा था. इसके बाद we talked about the countryside and the establishment of औध किसान सभा. वो आपको यहाँ पे mention करना है, how it was established, and it was for the benefit of the peasants. Then you have to mention about the participation of the tribal people. Tribal people, you remember Alluri Sitaram Raju. We discussed about him, how he had inspired the Indian people. Next, what we have, last one was the Swaraj plantation. Plantation in Swaraj, Swaraj in plantations, the people who were working in the coffee tea plantations and coffee plantations तो नहीं था, especially it was in the northeastern region, तो टी plantation था. वहाँ जहाँ भी चाय के बागान थे वहाँ पे लोगों को ज़बरदस्ती काम करवाया जा रहा था. So they found this a right time where they can go back to their own villages and be free from the atrocities of the Britishers. They were very cruel, और काम कराने के मामले में तो they were very strict. There was no leverage on any point. That was one of the major things. Okay. तो इसमें आपको क्या करना है ना, any three. हमने 4 पढ़ा है, आपको किसी 3 के बारे में बताना है. So you can mention about the movement in towns, movement in the countryside, movement by the tribes, and Swaraj, and the movement in the plantations. तो ये 4 दिए हुए, इसमें से आप कोई भी 3 लिख देना. राइट देयर होप्स, क्या चाहते थे, व्हाट स्ट्रगल, हाउ टू शो व्हाई दे जॉइंड द मूवमेंट. प्लीज़ राइट द आंसर्स चिल्ड्रन इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि अभी नाउ यू कांट राइट. अब पहले क्या होता है ना, व्हेन द स्कूल्स आर रनिंग, एक बच्चा लिखता है, बाकी सारे उसको कॉपी कर लेते हैं. But now, my dear students, you don't have any such thing where you can copy the answers. Okay. Then you have salt. Then this was the question, first question. Then you write about the second question. Salt March. To make clear why it was an effective symbol of resistance against colonialism. Where the Salt March, जहाँ पे क्या हम शुरू किया था, that Gandhi had asked, given the 11 demands. In those 11 demands, he has made it very clear that salt, being the most important material for using on a daily basis, how can the Britishers use salt? How can they impose taxes on salt? So he had already requested the British to remove the taxes from the salt, but as you know, British, they were never ready to do any such thing जिसमें उनको नुकसान हो. They were not ready to face any kind of losses. So they did not obey that, they did not look upon that. As a result, they have to face the resistance of the Indians on a very large scale. Got it, children? Then it was a important symbol of resistance, because manufacturing salt was monopoly of the British. जो काम सिर्फ ब्रिटिश करना चाहते हैं, suddenly the Indians have made up their mind that they will not cooperate with the Britishers and they will defy the laws. सिविल डिसोबीडियंस पहला क्या था? नॉन कोऑपरेशन था. मतलब हम आपके साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं हम आपके साथ मिलके वो काम नहीं करेंगे. बट द सेकेंड वन वॉज डिफायंस ऑफ द लॉज, डिसओबीडियंस, मतलब मानेंगे ही नहीं. गॉट इट? दैट इज देयर. Now the kind of questions that are put up in the boards, boards also in general also, that creative type of. अब देखो जैसे why I am saying this is about the third question. Imagine you are a woman participating in the civil disobedience movement and explain what the experience meant to your life. Civil disobedience movement was the first movement where women were participating. So when women are participating for the first time, what was their feeling? आप इसमें बता सकते हो कि such a big movement was happening. People wanted कि everybody should be a part of the movement, लेकिन they were not allowed. इतना जब हो रहा था उसमें when some of the women have got a chance to participate in the movement, it was very overwhelming and very enthusiastic for them. So this is what you will be mentioning in this answer. अपने words में लिखना. You all are good in English, so you all can write this answer on your own. Another. Why did the political leaders differ sharply over the question of separate electorates? Separate electorates by a group of people, matlab it has, now here you have to write everything about the demand of separate electorates by, पहला तो अम्बेडकर का था, and the next one was by the Muslims. Muslims wanted a complete province where only Muslim voters will be voting to the Muslim leaders. So separate electorates means a complete separation of the religious group called the Muslims. That's why people did not want this kind of a thing. Political leaders said कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Gandhi ji had also asked. So the separate electorates, there were the political leaders were differing sharply over the separate electorate question, and Gandhi ji तो had gone. Pune Pact के बारे में भी इसमें आपको mention करना है that the Britishers had believed in the policy of divide and rule. So as a result, they have divided the Indian people on many points. So this was the time when the leaders differed over the question of separate electorates, and they did not want the Indians to be divided further. Got it? So here we have completed the chapter, children. We have discussed the question answers. One project work was also there. Find out colonial movement in Indochina. Compare and contrast India's national movement with the ways in which Indochina. Actually, Indochina was a chapter that was very prevalent. In the previous syllabus. Abhi to this chapter has been removed. Previously we used to do, because it was a complete story of nationalistic movement that happened in Vietnam. Vietnam was a place that had faced lot of problems and had gained independence with very lot of difficulty. इसलिए इंडो चाइना was there, but I don't know why, but CBSE have not included it in this syllabus. Anyways, now we have completed the chapter. I'm just revising means we'll just have an overview of the chapter topic wise, because we'll be starting the new chapter, a new lesson. Wanted that we have discussed ना, उसकी भी कुछ चीज़ें इसमें मिल जाएंगी तो आपको आराम हो जाएगा. So here the First World War, खिलाफत, non cooperation, इसमें try to understand this thing that First World War में क्या क्या problem थी, nationalistic feeling, इसमें introduction part is also there, आपको ये देना है. One question was there na, how did the nationalistic feeling develop the anti-colonial sentiments? So that answer is given here. Growth of modern nationalism is connected with anti-colonial movement. One trend that is there, children, which I would definitely like to explain here is that nationalism was there, growth of nationalism is there, anti-colonial movement had happened because of the nationalistic sentiments that were there amongst the people. और एकदम यही statement उठा के they have asked the question, and that is how the questions are asked in the boards. Okay. How it had happened, just see, people began discovering unity of process of their struggle with colonialism, sense of being oppressed under colonial people, shared bond was there, many different groups were there together, and each class and group they felt the effect of colonialism, their experiences were varied, and देखो, sense of being oppressed. Now try to understand one thing. Everybody was oppressed. Oppressed means सबको दबाया गया था. It was not only one group of people or one category. The category is right from top to bottom. They have been oppressed. It provided a shared bond that tied many different groups together. Congress under Mahatma Gandhi tried to forge these groups together within one movement. Unity had developed, but there was no conflict. तो ये पूरा पैराग्राफ जो है, this is the answer. The growth of modern nationalism is connected with the anti-colonial sentiment. Unity was there. अभी unity में you can give the example how united, how the people, the discovery or the Rabindranath Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, one flag that was made, and the pictures of Bharat Mata has inspired. So unity was there. Sense of being oppressed was there amongst all the classes. Each class felt the effect of colonialism, and Congress tried to forge these groups together. अलग अलग ग्रुप जो अलग अलग फाइट कर रहे थे, कांग्रेस ने बस यही काम किया, इन सारे ग्रुप्स को बुला के एक साथ ले आए. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर चिल्ड्रन, इट इज वेरी फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. थ्रू द वॉर ईयर्स प्राइजेज इंक्रीज्ड. ठीक है, ये सारा फोर्स रिक्रूटमेंट, क्रॉप फेलियर, ये सारे पॉइंट. प्लीज राइट ऑल दिस आंसर्स इन पॉइंट्स. आइडिया ऑफ सत्याग्रह में ये सारा सत्याग्रह के पॉइंट्स हैं. आप वन पॉइंट यू हैव टू टेक फ्रॉम हियर and rest you can take from here. Got it? That physical force was necessary, people including the oppressors. तो ये this was there. महात्मा गांधी, ये तो movement, Rowlatt Act, you know it very well. So सबसे पहले ना ये आपको देना है. It gave the government enormous power to repress political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. एक्चुअली चिल्ड्रन व्हाट हैपन्स कि आप इसको अपने वर्ड्स में लिख सकते हो, बट सर्टेन थिंग्स आर देयर, सर्टेन पॉइंट्स आर देयर वेयर यू रियली नीड टू राइट द बुकिश लैंग्वेज. इसको 2-3 बार लिख के इसको याद कर लेना. ट्राई टू डू दैट. ओके. एंड हाउ द सत्याग्रह इस तरह से इन्होंने अपोज किया. वन क्वेश्चन वाज देयर, जल यू हैव टू शो योर ओन क्रिएटिविटी. Got it. And then ये movement पे question था, how the movement had started, how there was rebellion in the countryside, and Swaraj was there in the plantations. ये हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है. चौरी चौरा का इंसिडेंट जस्ट नाउ दैट आई वाज टेलिंग, व्हाई वाज द चौरी चौरा मूवमेंट वाज कॉल्ड ऑफ. यहाँ पे इतना सही दिया है, थोड़ा सा नेट से भी देख सकते हो. You can see, you can take help from the net also. Okay children, so these were the questions that we have discussed today. In the next video we will be starting the new chapter. Okay, thank you children, and all the best to all of you.